I'm Rick Lotuff, founder of American Blanket Company. The mission of American Blanket Company is to make a high-quality product that will last a lifetime. In the market today, if you go into any retail store, it's all about price. What we decided to do was give the customer what they wanted, and that's make a better product. And in order to make a better product, you have to put more yarn, make it a little bit heavier. You brush and shear the product 6 times, so that way it's a non-shedding and non-pilling blanket. If our blankets ever shed or pill, we guarantee them for life. You can send them back and we'll replace it for free or give you your money back at any time. The way we can differentiate ourselves is by giving the customer an opportunity to personalize or customize any blanket with embroidery or with their name, their logos. You can take a picture on your phone, send us that picture, upload it onto our website, and then we can transfer that photo right onto a blanket and send it to you within 3 to 5 days. I believe that the consumer is really interested in having a quality product, something that they can count on, that they can cherish and have for life. And so every one of the American Blanket products that we produce is guaranteed for life. That hand inspection, that hand stitch, that hand pack, that ensures that the customer is getting the best that we can give them. If we can't make the best blanket in the market, we shouldn't be in the blanket business at all.